guys! Welcome to Royal Ocean Crest, Panglao, dito sa San Isidro, Dawis. Nag-set viewing kami ngayon guys kasi na-turn over na ang Building A. Kaya alag kami nakapasok dito with my co-agents. At ngayon ay viewing tayo dito sa loob. Limited lang ang area na pwede nating malakaran dito sa loob kasi may nag-construct pa dito or may nagtrabaho pa, so we are not allowed to go around in the whole area. This is the building B.
Yes.
This one, malapit siya sa gate. Then this one is the building E na bagong turnover. Meron nang nakatira dito guys. At ngayon ay akyat tayo sa taas para makikita natin ang beach view dito. So let's go!
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Viewing kami sa bagong turnover na building A dito guys, at yan ang kasama namin. So akyat kami sa roof deck para makita natin ang view sa surrounding dito sa Royal Ocean Crest, Panglao. Yan, waiting kami sa elevator. Merong dalawang elevator each building. So let's go.
Let's go.
Get on board. We're smiling on top of the world. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep.
Muna iyahang hallway.
Wala lang dito mag-acting unit.
Muna inayin atin.
Next floor.
Dito kami sa 10th floor. Dito ang sky deck.
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
At makikita natin dito guys ang Royal Ocean Crest, Panglao 2, located at Dawis. Walking distance lang din siya sa dagat or beach. This is the building C of Royal Ocean Crest, Panglao 1. Malapit na siyang matapos at ito ang last na i-turn over na building dito sa Rupa 1. Diyan sa baba guys, yan ang amenities at yung clubhouse. At dito sa other side guys, ito ang makikita sa sunset view. Makikita natin ang subdivision na Royal Palm Tres located at San Isidro, Dawis. This is Royal Palm Tres. Malaki itong subdivision. At kung gusto nyo yung house and lot guys, may mga vacant pa or available pa na mga units dito. Just message me. So ito ang sunset view. Maganda din ang sunset view guys. Hindi lang ang dagat ang maganda. Guys, ang swerte sa nakabili dito. Ang worth it sa view, ang worth it sa building. Ang location niya, grabe ka, strategic location. Malapit sa beach, malapit sa Panglao Airport at sa Tagbilaran. Then sa likod yan ang subdivision, Royal Palm Tres, house and lot. Meron pa tayong mga reopen dito guys. O inquire or message lang kayo kung gusto nyo if you like this condominium, Royal Ocean Crest Panglao 1. As of now, nag-pre-selling kami sa Royal Ocean Crest 2. Pero dito sa 1, itong location na to, meron pang available. So, inquire na guys para maka-reserve kayo sa unit dito. So currently, as of now, building A ang na-turnover na guys. And this one is the building B. Ongoing na. Next ang i-turnover. Ang building B ay malapit siya sa entrance. Yan ang entrance. Building E and B is malapit siya sa entrance. Ang C ay nandun siya sa corner. Yan ang building C. Then here they are still working the amenities. Ito ang tinatrabaho nila. So far ang building ay kunti na lang para matapos na.
So high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high.
So tapos na kami nag-viewing dito guys. Ang masasabi ko lang, invest kayo dito kasi worth it yung money mo pag i-invest mo dito, kasi lalo na pag i-business mo lang, gusto mong parentahan or Airbnb, marami talagang magrenta dito guys. Kasi malapit lang siya sa beach at maganda ang location niya. So, bye!
Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind. sky on your mind. Flying, get on board. We're smiling on top of the world. Flying, get on board. We're smiling on top of the world. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind. Flying, get on board. We're smiling on top of the world. Flying, get on board. We're smiling on top of the Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.